Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Kval 950-3 strike jam router. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Kval 950-3 strike jam router. It's currently set up to do 5/8 inch radius corners. It's in full operating condition. (115 volt) operation over pneumatic. You should come in and hit your foot pedal. As you can see, it has done all three at the same time. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or just call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.